Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It was first released on October 25, 1983. Today most personal and professional correspondence is created using computers. What is Microsoft Word? MS Word is the most popular word processing software used today. A word processor is essentially a computerized version of the standard typewriter. It makes the creation of documents easier and more accurate. What is MS Word used for? This software is used to create, edit, and format written documents. Business letters, resume, cover sheets, homework, report. Exploring the Word window. Many components in the Word window are similar to those in other Windows programs. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the program and the name of the current document. File tab. The File tab is where you see and access many common file functions. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar, which is the only toolbar, provides fast and easy access to basic file functions. The Quick Access Toolbar functions include the Undo and Redo ribbon, located at the top of your page. Provide you with a set of tools that are relevant to what you are currently doing. Status bar. Along the bottom of the Word application window, you see a status bar that tells you what page of your document you are on, and how many words are in the document. Dialog box launcher. Many options include an icon at the bottom right edge of the group option. Options for viewing a document. Print layout. Full screen reading. Web layout. Outline view. Draft view. Ruler. Use the rulers to measure the document setting within the page margins. Document screen. The white area of the screen is where your typed text appears. Scroll bars. Bars that are used for moving the view of the document. Insertion point. The blinking vertical line in the document screen indicates where text will appear when you begin typing. The cursor. When you are using the tools, your cursor will change to an arrow. This is called a pointer. Mini toolbar. Word contains a semi-transparent mini toolbar, designed to provide quick access to many text and paragraph formatting features, so you don't have to move your mouse so far to select the commands from the ribbon. Window control. Minimize button. A button that reduces a window to a button on the Windows taskbar. Maximize/restore down button. A button that switches back and forth, or toggles alternately turns an option on or off, each time that the option is selected, between displaying a window in its maximum size and restoring a window to its previous size. Close button. A button that closes the current window or application. Character formatting. Word provides tools to help you create professional-looking documents. Choosing a font. Word comes with additional fonts. The default font used with Word is called Calibri. Selecting a font size. You can use any size for any font. Font size are measured in points. Font color. Word gives you the ability to make your texts colorful. Typing uppercase letters. Just hold down the Shift key, and type the letters that you'd like in uppercase. Typing uppercase letters. Just hold down the Shift key, and type the letters that you'd like in uppercase. Changing text case. Word automatically corrects many text case errors. For example, if you type springtime, Word automatically changes it to springtime. Discovering autocorrect. Many cases, if you mistype a word or forget to capitalize a sentence, Word automatically correct it. Bold, italic, and underline. Applying formatting attributes such as bold, italic, or underlined calls attention to particular part of your text. Paragraph formatting. The computer can put things on the left, in the center, or on the right of the page. Alignment. By default, paragraphs are usually left aligned. The left margin is straight, but the right margin is jagged. Left, right, center, judify. Bullets and numbered list. You use bullets when making lists. You can create a neatly numbered list instead of clicking the bullets button. Working with line spacing. Change the spacing before and after selected paragraphs. By default, paragraphs are followed by a blank line, and headings have extra space above them. Line spacing options. Single. 1.5 lines. Double. At least. Exactly. Multiple. Using tabs. Use tabs to align text in your documents. Setting tabs using the ruler. If you can't see the ruler, click View Ruler at the top of the vertical scroll bar. Click anywhere on the ruler, and you will have set a tab stop. Paper orientation is the direction the words are printed on the paper. Portrait. Landscape. Working with graphics. Graphics. Using a graphics in your document can be just the makeup the document needs to keep your reading audience interested. Pictures. You can insert pictures from a variety of places, including those stored on your computer or from the web. Text wrap is a feature supported by many word processors that enables you to surround a picture or diagram with text. The text wraps around a graphic. Inserting clip art. Microsoft Offices store clip art in collections with keywords so you can easily locate the image you want. Word art is a text styling utility available in Microsoft Office applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Publisher. It helps in providing special effects like outlines, gradient glow, shadow, textures and 3D effects to the text. Effects. Drop cap. A large initial letter that drops below the first line of a paragraph, usually used at the beginning of a section or chapter of a book. Smart Art Graphic is a visual representation of your information that you can quickly and easily create, choosing from among many different layouts to effectively communicate your message or ideas. Chart is a diagram, picture, or graph which is intended to make information easier to understand. Text box. An on-screen rectangular frame into which you type text. Text boxes are used to add text in a drawing or paint program. Creating a new file. When you open Word, a blank document appears. You can click the template you want to use. Editing text. Adding new text. When you want to add new text in the document, place the insertion point where you want to locate the new text and then begin typing. Deleting existing text. You can delete unwanted text one character, word, or paragraph at a time. Two common keys used to delete text are the backspace and delete keys. Selecting text. Before you can move, copy, delete or change the formatting or placement of existing text, you must first select the text you want to edit. When text is selected or highlighted, it appears on your screen showing through a colored shading. Galleries. Some ribbon buttons display a down arrow, which means there are more choices available. Adding special symbols. You may think the only character you can type into a Word document are those that appear on your keyboard. You can add many different special characters, such as the trademark symbols, Greek letters, smiley faces or foreign currency symbols. Creating equations. If you write technical papers or scientific journals that need the use of equation, Word has a built-in support tool for writing and editing equations. Creating a table of content. Table at the beginning of a long document provides a nice roadmap to the document's content. The reader can identify a topic of interest and go right to the page that discusses the topic. Choose references. Table of contents. Insert table of contents to display the table of content. Working with tables. Tables. Used for organizing information. A table is a grid of columns and rows, and their intersection of a column and row is called a cell. Creating a simple table. All you need is to estimate the number of rows and columns you need. Using table design. If you want to change the appearance of the table cells, you select the cells you want to modify and apply any of the following standard formatting choices.